Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Have you ever tried Manchurian chicken in restaurants? Delicious, right? Today I like to share the recipe for Manchurian chicken. It's really easy and fun to cook. We will begin by marinating the chicken. For this, we will need 500 grams of diced chicken breast. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of crushed ginger, and half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. Mix all these ingredients. Next, we will need to add 1 whole egg, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. Marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour in the fridge. The longer we marinate, the better the taste. Heat some oil in a pan. Since I'm using a non-stick pan, a little oil goes a long way. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and fry until it's golden brown. Add it in one by one so that they don't stick together. If you are new to this channel, please take a few moments to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest recipe. Fry the chicken to a golden brown color like this, but don't let it get too crispy. Even at this stage, they will taste excellent on their own or with some chili sauce. Summon all your willpower and keep it aside for now. Next, add a handful of cashew nuts and fry them in the same oil. Once they are brown a little, remove and set aside as well. The cashew nuts will add a little crunchy bites to the dish. For the gravy, add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped ginger, a diced onion, and stir everything until the onions soften. Add half a cup of diced green bell peppers and half a cup of yellow ones. If you have red ones, add them as well, it will be even better. Add a tablespoon of vinegar, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Stir and let it simmer for a while. Meanwhile, mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour with a quarter cup of water. Pour in and mix well with the gravy. Simmer and let it thicken slightly. Add the chicken and mix until it's coated with the gravy. Add 4 to 6 bird eye chilies and sprinkle a teaspoon of black pepper powder. If the gravy is too thick, balance it with a little hot water. Finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds and the cashew nuts that we fried earlier. Here it is. Manchurian chicken is ready. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also like, comment and share.